Sweet as you walk in the door for the A+Beepers 1992 9th Annual Christmas Extravaganza. Let's take a look around. This is what Mike and Catherine brought. They brought lights, music, food, more food, dips for food, more food, crock pot filled with food, condiments, drink, plates, napkins, soda, meat tray in the refrigerator. Take my word for it, we don't want it to spoil. And let's see, what do we have back here? We have a cooler. That's a Coleman. Seems to be filled with ice and other such nonsense. And there's Cokes, very good. Here, good deal. We'll save that for later. Let's wait for the partiers.
Sour pickles too?
Welcome.
Mike.
Christina.
Christina. She's
What is it, Robert?
I love the
No.
that. Wave
Hi,
to the
Mike.
camera.
Oh,
Get out,
hi.
Bill. Person that doesn't exist.
Sorry, let him in?
yeah, they probably have one of the
Here,
best
hold this for a second.
selections in town.
Is this the same?
And then for cookies and things. Great.
You're gonna hold those.
And
We're gonna
it's
move
Bread.
this FC. We got
Pasta
movement now.
salad, supreme.
Ooh, put this out here by the side.
that bottle is
Put
that
the
bottle
chicken
is
in the back.
$4.99.
Really?
Beauty. We're gonna open
There's
that
owls
up.
and pickles.
Merlot,
Ooh, there's
$4.99.
chicken.
You probably pay $100 if you bought it in
What's the bread for?
The bread
Barely.
for the
25, 30, 35%.
for the meat and cheese.
Everything you could need for a gift. We got meat and cheese
Nice.
too?
Christine,
by olive oil,
Fred,
by Spanish and Italian olive oil.
and Dina,
Hey, we got room for the meat and cheese.
and Elizabeth.
Is there meat and cheese?
And Robert's still back there.
This big to find.
Oh,
The hanger's on her.
Genuine.
Oh, that's great.
Hey,
Camera.
nice toy. Place called Wings Up there. It's Chrissy and Earl over there.
that always smells.
Sorry.
That's alright. Elizabeth, Dino,
Like you're wearing a mothball. It blows up, it's in her face.
Oh, it is 3 BPRs.
Oh, they're type 8, Type 8,
Oh, that's great. Two Panasonics and 3 BPRs.
And an Android phone.
and voicemail.
Yeah, and a little coupon. No voice.
Actually, it's a stack of one-year agreement.
He goes through them quicker than anyone.
He wants a couple of how-to books.
How to?
How to...
Oh.
Oh!
It's a shower radio!
Hey.
Something is always needed. A shower radio?
Yeah!
I didn't get to his sales meetings on time.
Oh, that'll slow him down. If
I
you
knew it had a material message, you know.
Rabbit's got that. I put
Can you
batteries
get
in
wet
it.
with it?
Yeah, it's water resistant.
Really? This is fantastic.
Catherine drew your name.
Oh, there could be a
Great.
Oh, yeah.
All right, next one. Merry Christmas, Donna, from Chris Kringle of North County. That must be Fred?
Yeah.
Fred, all right.
Nice wrap.
Fred, yeah, look at that.
Fred, okay. What is it?
For me to know and you to
That's
find
a
out.
pretty package too.
Yeah, we got it. Open it.
She does the pasta salad. She does the wrapping. I knew it. This is not
You
legit.
bought your camera.
This is very nice. You knew what I wanted, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cash.
Money.
Oh, you lost.
Hey, Donna. Donna, over here. Show.
Take a picture.
That's
Friend, thank you. Merry
This
Christmas.
is for
from
Camino
from me to
Thank you,
Mike.
Elizabeth.
to Mike.
Woo!
Hey.
Good operation, man.
Oh, darn.
Yeah, I got one this year.
He knows how to do that.
Who is this from?
It's from
Is it running right now?
Say, are you?
Okay.
It's okay.
I'm on.
You guys are close.
Okay. Here we go.
He's so proud.
Oh.
First gift. First name.
Hanging out over there.
Tissue paper.
Oh, what do you always wanted?
Hey.
It's a tie. Believe that. Wow, something Mike always needed. Oh.
You never have to.
You only wear those on Wednesdays and you know it.
I don't know what to get you, you know?
Now, who picked the tie out, Dino? Your lovely wife or you?
Okay, you can pop.
Bob who?
Wait, this is to Norma from Bob.
Oh, did you pick my name?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
I did.
Let's see.
Lots of dollars.
Uh-oh. Silver dollars.
Who's it from?
Wow, that is nice. Oh, I
My
dropped
Secret Santa.
Who's it from? What's that?
Bob Chase. Pay attention,
I
Donna.
hope you like
Come
it.
on.
Bob, you got to get her.
Oh, thanks.
That's a nice tie, by the way.
From Victoria's Secret.
I'd like to see it.
Didn't buy that.
I'm a shy person. I'd like to look at it.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, hey.
Something you and your wife.
For 1 year. Merry Christmas.
Mike,
Look at that.
hold him up, Norma.
Every Wednesday I'll wear them.
Norma, hold it up.
I just changed it.
Ooh, thank you.
Okay, Thursday at 2.
Over here too on the floor.
Wow, that's really
Under the Christmas tree.
Under the Christmas
Oh,
tree.
she's a picture of the Christmas tree.
To Earl from Secret Santa. Oh,
Get over
that's
there.
an expensive one. It's heavy.
Whoa, yeah. This has got to be something good.
It is, it is.
I don't want to be next to him when he opens it.
Somebody?
Yeah.
Somebody?
Yeah.
You did before?
Poor Panasonic.
Oh no, it looks like a Q-tip. It's a first aid kit.
All right.
That's great.
Yeah.
20 years
Didn't know anything about you.
Right. Why not?
Rural area.
That's good.
Please, no photos.
Something.
They must be planning on sending you to Hamul every day.
You'll need that.
Gosh, I hope I don't.
You want to keep filming?
So you may not have a bandage.
Do you want to keep filming?
I mean, big enough or whatever.
You know where they got the plus? It's the cross and the Red Cross.
I like that.
You know, Red
I
Cross.
always get
It's not an embarrassing gift.
You know what? That's for Angie.
Yeah,
That's for Angie, for me, and
Oh, it is?
Well, she's not here. I mean,
Okay.
She's not here.
let's give it to someone else.
On behalf of Angie, I'd like to say that we'd like to thank you very much. And,
thanks, Bob.
else. Well, this is to me from Santa. Mike?
No, it's me.
Oh, Donna. Over here. We go with it.
I'm embarrassed.
Yeah, Donna, get over there.
Your face is all red,
We
dog.
had a rule up north that anything that anybody got to wear, they had to go try it on for us.
Oh, no.
Makes sense. These are little glow-in-the-dark little angels.
Oh,
These are really cute.
Oh,
what is it?
I'm a sucker for candy.
Oh boy.
Wow.
Oh boy.
Thank you, Donna.
Yay!
Oh, that's great.
Thank you.
Thank
no,
you.
it's just what you always wanted. Merry
Thank
Christmas.
you. I appreciate
Now, this
that.
is what you
No,
wanted.
seriously,
It's a little
I will
notebook and
definitely use
addresses
that.
and stuff.
That's great.
Let me see.
It's not, honey. You
Robert
can't have
picked
it.
it out.
I like the little glow in the dark angel.
Yeah, that's, what were you saying you liked yesterday?
Let's pass that.
Oh.
Let's get that money.
Wow. Thank you.
Merry Christmas. Do
Thank
that.
you.
That's extra.
Appreciate it.
Are they telling you something?
It's a cute little bottle.
I have a little.
Four.
It's so for what was it?
Okay, go into the bag and there's a gift label with a 2 on it and pull it out.
All right, Fred.
That's your interim gift. In that bag there's a gift that's marked 2. Somebody get it out, give it to
gag gift.
No, it's not a gag gift.
It's a serious gift.
It's like, all right, I'll get the gifts wherever I go. I'll pick up something. They're written right on it.
Mike wanted to make sure we got a gift this year.
No, don't do it. Number 2. Okay. What are you doing?
Well, what?
Well, that's the good one.
You don't scoop.
Is number 2 the best?
That's the best one. It's the most practical one.
Look at the
The most practical.
Yeah, that is.
Certificate to the movies.
See, it's
Flashlight,
nice.
key
Nice
ring.
to have
Fred, that's for after hours when you're out there making a sales call and your car breaks down.
Not too bad.
Right?
And you need to look in your engine.
Out in Ramona when you're dumping out that dead body.
Trying to get home, you know, with the family.
Yeah.
Your son will take this.
Note the time that it is 8:32 p.m.
Check that out.
Angie, turn around. You gotta come stand over here.
Yeah, I can stand there.
Hey, that's
Yeah.
not a good way.
I can feel it.
Ah.
Ooh.
I told him he's done.
I don't know how you're gonna take it.
Hey, and then he goes, I had to ride around with her all day yesterday. It's my car, it's not.
Forgets giving.
You gotta take another shower.
John, this is Elizabeth, Fred's husband.
Huh?
This is my wife, Cheryl.
And Cat Dog's here.
Cat dog.
Hi, I'm Chrissy. Hi, Sue.
How you doing? That's Carol's girlfriend.
You already opened the present.
We're the winner.
Girl, we already just found you.
Give the flashlight
Catherine.
Oh no, stand by for a second.
Yeah, let's see what she sees.
A picture's worth 1,000 words.
Okay, open it up.
Open it up.
Uh-oh.
Catherine.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, Harry, we can't wait. It's the funnel you always wanted.
It's the final.
Yeah, no. Let me count. Let me think. I know that.
She's very slow.
Oh, I'm Fred.
Ooh.
I'm sorry, I think I'll take the wine.
Oh boy, this girl's got taste, I tell you.
Wine. And wine glasses.
What'd you get, Mom? Oh, cognac.
Cat dog from the hood.
Oh, more.
A funnel. Whoa. Glasses.
And another glass.
Two of them, Fred.
Outstanding.
They're 2 of them, Fred.
2 of them.
How are yours?
Now you're supposed to sniff that.
Sniff it.
Cognac.
You gotta tell these sales reps
Let's break it open.
Okay, we're rolling.
Move your pants. Wait a minute, I'm paying for that.
Some? Are they?
Keep this so you can put on something else.
What have you been eating? No, you didn't, Cat.
You are running in the middle.
Give her something.
All right, now what do we have here?
I can't open this.
Wait. I forgot to open my card. The moment is past.
My life.
May the peace and beauty of the holiday season be yours the whole year through. Your girlfriend, Catherine Thompson. No. 19. Thank you. Okay, Catherine, go ahead.
Oh, thanks, you told.
You really like that sucker.
Well, you gotta.
I think we should give Catherine the prize for the longest unwrapping.
Yeah.
It was Fred till now.
Oh, yeah. Excellent.
Oh, watch out.
Hey, you don't use a bread knife for that.
Oh, really?
You want the carving knife.
You're
Okay,
Can you do
great.
that little dance again? You like that?
Yeah, I like that.
All these perfume and soap and
Merry Christmas time. As S.L. Finch opens her first present. We're going to A+Beepers, California. Shock and dismay. The office. Someone has stolen our office. But more importantly, the winner sign is gone. Dun, 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 boom, 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 boom. As we begin to explore around, we see that they wisely left the files behind. Perhaps the least valuable things in this office. And they stole a window. Boom, 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 boom. This is just inhumane that someone would come in and steal. And steal. But they left a wall instead of our doorway to the back. Good for them. Well, let's go see what we can find. The new one. The handicap approved door. There's the winner thing. Winners. People that make a difference. Assortment of magazine. The plant. The fake plant. Look lovely in any bathroom. It's a sales desk back there. Catherine's behind the partition. Norma's further back. And Mike, neatly tucked away in the corner. First aid kit. Just look around, shall we? A voicemail machine, still in the same location. Oh, what is that? Some fine shelving that I built with our printer that I stole. And there's Catherine! Our cart. Our copy machine, our new wall, our old clock, our cool new shelves, where the bracket could support 500 pounds, the shelves only about 45. Our refrigerator, complete with rum and champagne. And butter. Leave it to your imagination. Computer, complete with login. Cat calendar. Printer. Cordless phone. And of course, we cannot deny you the lovely, lovely view we have of the parking lot next door. God has been good to us. The pride and joy of A+Beepers, always cleared off.
before 5.
Look at how clean and neat she keeps it. Keeps the purse by her side, on the main menu, as she should be. Here it is, only 3 minutes till 5.
I'm working.
No, Los Angeles, this is the correct way.
Yeah, I've grown bored of this camera.
Come close to me.
Zoom, back off, back off.
You want to be. I am a lot.
more or less interested in my prestige than I am in the future.
Crazy nutty world.
It's a wacky techno hype world.
Super cool stuff happening. The part you messed on his pants.
That's the part I
back to the heel. Because I'm rubbing him out on your pants, you know. That's the only thing we're missing in this carpet, really, is shoe polish. As far as I can tell. You hit me with the flower.
Nice.
You do it every hour.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's fine.
Oh, God, these are so cool.
Wow, this has a clock?
Yeah.
I didn't know they had clocks in it. Was yours? Really?
My
That's
mother
how you
had
stand.
a big tiger. Wait a minute, these are all just...
The stars. Why, there's Cary Grant's former estate. And I think Jane Fonda lived right over there. And if I'm not mistaken, Leo DeRocher, the world famous manager of the New York Yankees and the New York Mets, lived right down that street. Ah, yes, Hollywood. This is the place. If you look carefully, you can find a silent screen star that should be dead. And here we are, Teddy's Cafe. There's plenty of parking in Teddy's Cafe.
Always plenty of parking.
Here's Andy backing up. And through no small effort, he manages.
Mike lives a cool life.
It's a big building.
Say hi to the camera,
We're here at Teddy's Cafe.
as noted by that sign. I can't see anything in this thing because there's so much.
Say
first.
That would involve
Bending up.
effort, yeah.
We are at Teddy's.
You know, too expensive. You know,
I don't know if I can read it. They called
I
it.
was just like, wait a minute, but yeah, and it's like, Aaron, you know.
Ah, I zoomed it too close. It freaked out the.
Good God.
It freaked out the autofocus. I'm too close.
This is what Mike had. This is what Andy.
Wait. Come on.
Mine was probably the cheapest. I'm just kidding.
No, let's just take a look here. Okay,
Let's see who ate the most.
huevos rancheros.
Mushroom omelet with jack cheese.
Yeah, autofocus won't deal with this. This is excellent. 22.25.
What's that?
Here it is, the morning. The cat's locked in the living room all day. And here they all are. There's Fano. Come on, kitties. That's all. Wonderful app. Hiya. Tangled mess.
At 4 minutes
of
after the
tweets.
hour, we're taking a look now at Great Commission news. News of events, trends, movements, and difficulties encountered by God's people from sharing the gospel worldwide. A ministry focused on the sex industry has started up in Thailand. Go read with that story.
In northern Thailand, a unique ministry has begun. Young people involved in Thailand's sex.
Armenia is in deep trouble. The Muslim nations on three sides. The country of Armenia is a sitting duck, according to expert observers. Armenia's Christian church, the oldest in the world, was the first nation to accept Christianity as its official state religion. Since the demise of
Been filming the flower and Sue bought me. We'll try manual focus. I think we found the range. These are flowers that Sue bought me. They're all very delicate, elegant in their own way.